Two animal welfare bills sparked by the legal battle involving the Natural Bridge Zoo may be on their way to Governor Spanberger's desk.
If signed into law, Virginia would become the first state to create these regulations. ABC 13's Rachel Branning joins us in studio to break down the bills.
Pat Danner, these bills came to fruition after a push by the welfare activist group PETA. They say the Attorney General's investigation into the Natural Bridge Zoo raised a lot of red flags, and they believe the state needs to have more regulation over facilities lacking accreditation. The law would ban the separation of an exotic mammal born in captivity from its mother before it turns 4 months old. It would also ban hybridization or deliberate breeding of different animal species, as the zoo reportedly did with 2 species of lemurs. Lawmakers passed a similar bill last year, but Governor Youngkin vetoed it. Just days after that veto, 2 baby giraffes went missing from the Natural Bridge Zoo, and they haven't been found to this day.
There are practices that simply should not be permitted in Virginia or anywhere else, and this bill would make history.
The Animal Owners Alliance, on the other hand, believes these bills target a niche group of people who bottle feed their animals. They say many locally owned zoos bottle feed as a general practice, so it's common to take a baby animal from its mom. They're pushing to have this legislation shut down and say they're not stopping their fight.
Everyone else can bottle feed their babies. Everybody else can trade their babies. But for some reason, just because PETA doesn't like us, apparently this is going to become a new law. And we just think that's really, really wrong.
PETA says this is about what's best for animals, saying pulling them from their moms can have psychological or even physical consequences, whereas the Animal Owners Alliance says a regulation like this sets a dangerous precedent for the exotic animal community. Now, the bills will go to the opposite chamber during crossover starting February 18th. If passed, Governor Spanberger will have the final say. Back to you.